Hey everybody, Crapshoot Creations here. Check it out, it's a prototype for a new mask we've been working on. For men that have facial hair and a full beard. Because if the virus gets on your beard, it can live on your beard, so you want to cover your whole face. We developed this little pull tab right here. So if you don't have no gloves, or you think your hands are contaminated, you can use it. Just pull it right off. Don't even touch your face. Pull it off. Throw it in the wash. Use it again. It's for men. Full face. Cover the whole beard and mustache. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. Till next time. Hey, how's everybody doing today? Crapshoot Creations here. Just came out with a prototype of our new mask. For men that have a full face beard to protect the beard from the virus. Just slip it on over your head. There's no tying, nothing. Ready to go. And got a little pull tab right here. So if you don't have no gloves, or you think your hands are contaminated, you can just use this and pull it right off. And there you go. Protect yourself from the virus. Full face. Protect the beard. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Yes? No? We'll take anything you got. Till next time. Feel the good vibe and stay alive. Prototype for a new mask. Full face. Cover your beard so the virus can't live on your beard. Got a little pull tab here. So if your hands are contaminated, you just pull it off. You don't have to tie anything. You just slip it right on over. It's tight to the face. Your glasses don't fog up. You can see them, but they can't see you. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. Hey everybody, Crapshoot here. Got a prototype of a quarantine death mask. Full face mask. You don't have to tie anything. Just pull it over your head. Covers your whole face. If you got facial hair, everybody knows the virus can live inside the facial hair. So you don't want that. And if you don't have gloves and you think your hands are contaminated, we've got a little pull tab here. You can just pull it off. Throw it in the wash. Use it again. 100% cotton. Leave a comment below. Let us know what you think. Quarantine death mask. Until next time.